everyone! Today we're going to talk about fractals. Fractals are patterns that look the same no matter how much you try to zoom in on them. They are created by doing the same process over and over to create a shape which will go on forever. Here are some examples of some fractals. This is called the Mandelbrot fractal. Can you see how each shape on the side looks like the shape you started with no matter how much you zoom in? This one is called Koch's snowflake. And this one is called the dragon curve. Fractals can also be found in real life, for example in some plants or snowflakes. Today we're going to be talking about a fractal called Sierpinski's triangle. This fractal is a pattern of equilateral triangles, which means all three sides of the triangle are the same length. To make this fractal, you can start with an equilateral triangle, and then draw a dot on the middle of each side. Connect those dots to form another triangle upside down inside. So now we have what looks like 4 triangles. If you remove the middle one and then keep doing the process of putting dots on the sides of the other 3 and drawing triangles inside, then we're going to create Sierpinski's triangle. If we keep doing this by hand, eventually it'll get too small for us to work with. But if we're using a computer, we could keep going forever. Today I want to show you how to make a cool pop-up card using Sierpinski's triangle. For this experiment, all you need is a piece of paper and some scissors. First, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then cut halfway across, starting in the middle of the creased edge. Fold the top half over and crease it, and then push it through and pop it out, and fold it again, like a pop-up card. When you open it, you have what looks like a standard pop-up card with one piece folded out. Close the card again, and imagine 2 smaller rectangles. Now cut halfway across each of those rectangles. Then fold over the top half of each, open everything up, push the folded parts inside, and recrease. Now do this a third time. Notice how many cuts you're making now as opposed to the first step. After you repeat this part, if that wasn't too difficult, you can attempt another round of cuts. This time you'll need to cut halfway across 8 rectangles, and they're going to get pretty small and difficult to work with. Open up your card. Can you see the fractal pattern? Look at these pictures. Notice how the entire shape on the left picture is repeated 3 times on the right picture. With your card, you can glue or tape it to some colorful paper, and then write a nice message inside. Thanks for watching. Bye.